Welcome to the channel M&E Trics. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss an important issue of data analysis where we come across usually with a data which is to be merged into a single variable. For example, it's a simple question, what is your age? And the responses are male, female and other. This type of issues arise usually when we collect data through online sources like Google Forms, Qualtrics or any other data collection service platforms. And the data look like this. Here, what is your gender? Instead of just in one column, the variables are in 3 columns. The responses like female, female, male, male. Issue is here for age. Let's suppose age has been, when we download the data from the online source, we see that age is divided into 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even 8 columns. So this kind of data cannot be analyzed. Like you cannot draw graph, tables, etc. So what we have to do is basically we have to merge all these columns into a single column, and then we have to run analysis. And one important thing is that it is only applicable for the single response variable. So now have to analyze or have to merge multiple columns into a single column. For example, if we see these 7 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have to merge these and draw a graph. Let's suppose I'm saying it's a age. The formula for this is we will use is connect connecticut. So from the first column we have to select, and then end, and second, then end, and third, then end, fourth, then end, fifth, then end, sixth, then end, seventh, then 8, ninth, then 8, and then close is equals. Here we can see that it has picked the response where it was, and now we will just drag it down. It has been dragged, and now we can see that instead of 7 columns, this formula, concatenate formula, has merged the 7 columns into one column, and the data has been now cleaned, and we can run. These multiple columns have been converted into a single column, and now this data, this variable is now ready for analysis, for further analysis. Similar process can be applied to any variable, any such problem, or you can merge the columns using this formula. Thank you.